Hello Junior Learning House, we're back and we're doing another writing video, so let me show you which one we're doing. Now all of the other squares have been coloured in because we've done them already, so if you haven't done some of these, go back and have a look at the videos on this channel or in this location. So make a list of long I words. Examples: ice, mice, rice, kite, lots of different words. Now I'm going to show you an even bigger list. But before we do that, let's set up our books so we're ready to learn. So go to a nice, clean, fresh page if you can. Let's have the heading, long I words. And let's put the date. The date for me is the 2nd. Okay, write the date for you. So pause the video, make sure you've got your heading and your date, and then we will keep going. So once you have done that, let me quickly show you and bring up for you. Here we go. Sorry if it's a bit hard to see, but I'm just going to read them out to you. So we've got lots and lots. We've got 40 different long I words. Now, I'm not going to ask you to write down all 40. I'm just going to choose right now with you some words with the long I sound that I think are important and I think that we use when we're talking almost every day. So that we should learn to spell these words first, because they're really useful and we're already saying them, so we should know how to write them too. Time, I'm, time, long I in there. That's one we should use. Night, we should use that too. What else? We should use the number 9. That's a good one. We should use tie, right, knowing our left from our right. Size, what is the right size? Side, that's a good one. How about run and hide? The number 5. Light, when you turn on the light. Let's do bike. You might ride a bike at home. And let's do line, when you're drawing a line. And we'll do tight as well. You might tie a rope very tight. So how many words do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And you know what? I'm going to write down another word as well. I'm going to do bite, as if you've been eating and you've had a bite. So those are the words. So what I would ask you to do is pause the video and write out those words. And these are all words with long I sound. I'm going to write them in my book now, and then I'll show you exactly what I've done, and you can do the same. So if it's a little bit tricky for you to see, you'll be able to see it on my book very soon. And if you want to choose some different words, you can do that if you want. I just chose these words because I know that we talk about these almost every day. So it's great to be able to say something, to know what it is already, and then to be able to write down the words. All right, so I've just got a couple left, and let's write down, I'll finish with bike and line. Done. So let me show you. Thank you for waiting. So here we go. These are all my words. I've got time, night, bite, the number 9, tie, like you were tying something together, right, like left or right, size, how big something is. Then we keep going. We've got side, the number 5, run and hide, or hide and seek, light, turn on the light, bike, riding a bike, and line, drawing a line. So what I would do now is I would pause the video. Actually, hopefully you can see that. I would pause the video and write down all of those different words. And once you've written those words down, I'll just show you the last couple as well. There you go, bike and line, hiding. Once you've written all of those words down, there's 2 different things that you can do, all right? Well, the first thing you can do is you could write the words again. You could write each word 3 times and say it. So say time and then write down time. Night and write down night. Because when you say it, you'll hear it and you remember it better. So you're hearing it, you're saying it, you're writing it down, you're thinking about it, you'll remember it so much better. Maybe as well, what you could do is you could draw a little picture, like a little picture of a moon and some stars, anything that helps remind you that that word means night. So you could write it down, you could write the words down a couple different times, you could write it down twice and draw one picture, you could write it down 3 times, up to you. But that's what we're asking you to do today. Writing the heading down, long I words and the date, of course, and then making that list. But that's it. So go back through this video, pause when I show you all the words so you can write it down yourself. And that's it. And once you're finished, you can go back and color in that box because this square is done. Ask your parents or your carers to take a photo when they can, or just bring your book back to school and we can see your work. But that's it. So thank you so much. See you again for another video.